Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to walk you through on how to buy a Planet Fitness membership online. So let's get into this video. So once you're on the website here, Planet Fitness website, so simply click on join us. So this will take you to the section where you can, like now here, find any gym that's any clubs that's near to your location. Based on where you are, you can search your location here, but nearest to your place. So you can just open that. So for example, I will just choose this option here, random one. So I'll just choose this and hit on review plans, and here you go to select whichever. I have two options here, two plan options. So I'll choose whatever that suits me better. So for example, just for demo, I'll just choose this. So select that, and then you'll be get to enter your next step is your personal details. So you go to type in your personal details. So just all those information here. So once you're done with all those information here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on continue. So when I hit on continue, so next I'll be prompted to enter my payment details on how I want to make these payments. So once I've entered my payment details, then that's it. I can just review and check out and complete this order. So that's how I can easily buy a membership online. So it's pretty easy and a straightforward process. So I hope this information and video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.